Welcome to a tutorial video on Beepbox. Beepbox is a powerful digital audio workstation that is free in your browser. Today we will learn how to upload MIDI files so that we can play them back and edit any instrument we want, right in Beepbox. Let's go to Beepbox by typing in beepbox.co into your internet browser. First, we need to adjust some settings in the Preferences drop-down menu. Click Preferences and check off the following settings: Show piano keys, show notes from all channels, and show octave scroll bar. These settings will make it easier to edit your music in Beepbox. Next step is finding some new MIDI files that we can upload. We can find video game music by going to the website videogame.com. Let's go there now. Once you are at the website, you will find all of the video game consoles along the left side of the website. For this example, we are going to find an older video game since they use the same chiptune sounds that we find in Beepbox. Let's click the Super Nintendo Entertainment System by looking under Nintendo, and clicking SNES. Now to find a game we can scroll down, or we can just click Ctrl+F to search for our preferred video game title. Let's search Super Mario World. Let's find the Overworld music. Once you click Overworld, a download screen will pop up and you will need to save the file to your computer. Once it's downloaded, you can switch back to Beepbox. Once in Beepbox, look at the top right section, click the File drop-down menu and click Import Song, or you can just press Ctrl+O on your keyboard to upload your MIDI file. Click Choose File and find your downloaded file from vgmusic.com that you saved onto your computer. Double-click the file and it will load the song right into Beepbox. To play the song, you can press the spacebar on your keyboard, or you can click the play button on the top right side of Beepbox. If you want to change the instruments, click a colored box on the bottom and then change the type. Thank you for watching.